नमस्कार दोस्तों, ऑनलाइन स्टडी ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको ले चलते हैं क्लास 9th मैथमेटिक्स में चैप्टर नंबर 1 नंबर सिस्टम्स। और इस नंबर सिस्टम चैप्टर में आज हम आपको सिखाएंगे हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट इरेशनल नंबर ऑन द नंबर लाइन। So dear, this is the exercise 1.2 and here is the question for you, that is, show how under root 5 can be represented on the number line। अंडर रूट 5 को नंबर लाइन पे कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे। So dear, here is the solution for this question and try to understand. This is very easiest method. How can we represent not only under root 5 on the number line but under root 2, under root 3, under root 7, under root 11 and etc. You can represent on the number line by this easiest method. So dear, first of all, what to do? You will draw a number line. Let us, this is L. Mark O as its origin such that it represents 0. It means, dear, when we draw the number line, it means it has the numbers, and let us 0 is the origin point. First of all, you take the scale and after that we will draw a line. You can see here and mark an arrow। इस तरह से हम यहाँ पे एरो मार्क कर देंगे। So let us, this is a line L। ये एक हमने लाइन को ड्रॉ कर लिया। Now mark the point equidistance on this number line। So let us, these are let us, these are points O, A, B, C, D and E. After that, what to do? Yes, we will mark here point, as you can see that this is the number zero. This point O is represent 0 and this is 1. This is 2 and this is 3 and this one is 4 and let this one is 5. So line L is convert into the number line, and after that this we will draw a perpendicular line using set square or protractor. So let it, this is the protractor and we will put here just like that on the point A, एंड मार्क ए डॉट जस्ट एट 90 डिग्री। 90 डिग्री पर हम इसको मार्क करेंगे। तो आप देख सकते हैं दिस इज द प्रोटेक्टर एंड हेयर विल बी पुट द मिडिल पॉइंट एट जस्ट ए एंड mark a point, just you can see that (90°). This is 90 degree, and after that we will draw a perpendicular line using scale. Join these point to the point A. Yes dear, this is the perpendicular line. After that, what to do? Let's OA is O and A, and here is the 1. This is the point 1. You can see that this is just measurement is 1. And after that 2, 3, 4, 5. So now take your compass and measure this distance O and A, and let this OA is 1 unit. Measure this distance or take this distance in your compass, that is O and A, and let us this OA is 1 unit. And now what to do? Mark an arc on this perpendicular line which you see just like that, and again you take the scale and join this intersection point to okay dear. So you can observe that this point O, A and M, you will get a right angle triangle O, A and M. If you will take OA, O and A, that is 1 unit, then you can use here Pythagoras theorem as let OA equal to 1 unit, then AB equal to also 1 unit because this is equal, and AM is also 1 unit, which you mark an arc with this equal distance, then by Pythagoras theorem. That is OM square equal to OA square plus AM square, and AM is given that 1 unit, OA is given that 1 unit. So you will put here that you will get OM square equal to 1 square plus 1 square. 1 square means dear 1, and again 1 square means 1. 1 and 1 means 2, and OM square is 2. Then so dear you can write under root 2, that is OM. So this is distance under root 2. Now what to do again? Again we will take the protector and you will put just like that on this line. And the middle point, that is the middle line, should be just the intersection point, that is on M. M पर रखना है और M पर रखने के बाद आपको फिर से 90 डिग्री बनाती हुई एक लाइन को ड्रॉ करना है. मीन्स वी विल मार्क ए पॉइंट जस्ट 90 degree as you see. So let us, this is the point you will get here on just 90 degree. And now take the scale and join this point to again of this point, that is just like that. You can see that we will join this point. Okay, and this is again perpendicular to OM. And now you will take the compass and this is 1 unit distance. And now you put this compass at this point of intersection. And mark an arc just like that. And join this point of intersection to again to the point. Now let us, this point is N in right triangle OMN. Again by Pythagoras theorem, in right triangle OMN, and here you will write just like that, that is OM is ON square. This is the hypotenuse, and then AN square or ON square plus MN square. OM square plus MN square, and all are OM square. You can see that OM, this is under root 2. Under root 2 whole square, and Mn is only 1 unit. So this is 1 square. Under root 2 square means 3, and this is 1. And you will get this is 4. And On is under root 4. Or you can write this is 2. So you will mark as under root 4 here. Just like that on this under root 4 और अंडर रूट 4 की जगह आप 2 भी लिख सकते हैं. तो हम इसे एक ही फॉर्मेट में लिख रहे हैं. दिस फर्स्ट OM इज अंडर रूट 2 एंड नेक्स्ट वन ON इज अंडर रूट 4. नाउ अगेन वी प्रोसीड एज सेम. वी विल टेक an intersection point should be just middle point of this protector. Let us, this is exact situation, and once again we will mark a point that is a perpendicular line. फिर से हम perpendicular line ड्रॉ करेंगे और यहाँ पे इस तरह से हम पॉइंट 90 डिग्री पर मार्क कर देंगे. दिस इज 90 डिग्री. 90 डिग्री मीन्स जब हम इसे ज्वाइन करेंगे तो हमें परपेंडिकुलर लाइन मिल जाएगी। सो नाउ ज्वाइन दिस पॉइंट टू पॉइंट एन, एन से अब हम इसे ज्वाइन करेंगे। Okay, and after that once again we will take the compass and it is the just exact 1 unit distance. Here you can see that this is exactly 1 unit distance which you take in the starting 1 unit. Okay, and placing this compass at this point of intersection and mark an next arc. Okay, after that we will join this arc at the point O. इसे O से फिर ज्वाइन करेंगे। टेक योर स्केल एंड ज्वाइन दिस पॉइंट टू O point and name this point as, इस पॉइंट का भी हम नाम लिखते हैं L, इसको L नाम दिया। सो ONL, दिस इज ए राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल। ONL again in right triangle ONL, using Pythagoras theorem we will write it as ON square OL square equal to ON square plus NL square. And ON, dear, you know that this is ON, this is under root 4, under root 4 square plus NL is only 1 square. So you will get under root 4 square means 4 plus 1, then you will get this as 5. You can say that OL is only under root 5. So dear, now you can write here just in this place it is under root 5. This line OL is under root 5. And after that what to do? You will get here under root 5. Now you will take again the compass and place the pointer at this origin point O and measure this distance, that is OL. OL को आप मेजर करेंगे और OL को मेजर करने के बाद now you will mark an arc placing the compass at O at this नंबर लाइन। नंबर लाइन पर अब आप इसको मार्क करेंगे। सो यू विल गेट जस्ट लाइक दैट हियर। As you see, this is the under root 5 on the number line. You can draw line on this intersection point and mark an arrow. So this intersection point is so that this is under root 5 on the number line. This is representation of a root 5 on the number line. So you can represent all such type numbers on the number line as you see.